back to Juan Carlos. I haven't heard his
new stuff is so good.
Yeah, I have to catch up.
He has a new song with Janine Verdin.
They hang around a lot together. They make good music.
They make great music together, though.
Juan Carlos.
Sa karagatan ng mga tao,
Bro.
ikaw ang nakikita ko.
His vocal evolution has been such a mad journey.
Sa mga labing aking nahalikan, hanap ko ang sayo.
It's going viral. He posted this 2 days ago.
Kapaligiran ay sobrang ingay.
Sobrang ina.
Boses mo ang siyang lunas. Sa sobrang daming hita na aking nakikita, hanap ko ang noong butas.
I want to know what he's talking about. If anyone can tell me,
I
please.
think his song is called Shot Puno.
Sabi nila kung tayo man ay tayo,
Wow, he's good.
di na kita pipilitin kasi baka ikaw sa akin ay mas.
It would have been hilarious
Yeah,
if it was someone actually recording.
Me in the background.
Sasabi. Hanapong.
It's like, how did that sound? How was that take?
Yeah. How can anyone watch this shit and not cry? Jesus Christ.
No, can I just have a moment? Have
No.
a moment.
I'm only joking. Go on.
No, it's okay.
No, go on.
I don't care.
Say it.
No, beep.
Ikaw ang aking buwan, madalang mo bang ikaw rin ang mundo ko?
Mundo ko.
Oh, minahal kita.
Minahal kita. First time I heard that.
Sa gusto kong paraan,
Who broke his heart?
minahal kita nang di mo kailangan.
Oh,
And then
my God.
you know what's funny? You know what's funny? I've never met Juan Carlos. We don't really know him. We're not friendly with him because we haven't met or anything. But I think he strikes me as the guy that, like, he recorded that, right? And it's fucking unreal. And then he was probably like, it's probably shit.
His ass.
Yeah, it's like, this is never gonna see the light of day. It just
Proceeds to go viral.
Yeah, he strikes me as one of those guys that, like, he's just so beyond good that he probably doesn't think he's that good.
Yeah,
You know?
I see that.
Like, he probably just hangs out like a normal person. Mate, if I had that voice, fucking kiss my feet. Feed me. Chalo. What is it? Raspao?
Hello.
And feed me hello as you win me. You know? Is that what you call it?
Fan me.
As you fan me, mate. Like, I wouldn't be normal. That's why God made me this way.
Oh my God.
He takes away some goods so that I can have others and be a bit more humble.
That's her baby.
She's a mother.
The baby, yeah.
Oh my
But
God!
look at
kid,
the lullabies. Yeah, look at the lullabies.
What a kid! Can I be your kid?
Can you adopt me? What? She just got better. You just wait until that kid starts making noise.
Even the kids like, oh shit!
Into the unknown.
Look at his baby hands.
So effortless, this girl. Ooh.
Damn, that kid is so that's so crazy. God bless her and God bless her kid. Damn, that's so crazy. I had no idea. When the hell was she pregnant? I thought you were meant to be pregnant for like 9 months.
Yeah. Surprise!
Oh, these motherfuckers. Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, I wish I was one of them. So I had that voice. It would be a completely different world, bro.
Yeah, thank God we're not there. Thanks for giving me motivation at the gym.
Oh wow, mad hair.
Mad vocals. Listen to the harmony. Oh my god! What? How can you stop it there? People, this is an injustice to humanity.
This guy's Steve Cacao. Or Cacao, sorry.
Oh?
Cacao means chocolate.
Huh? Kako?
Cacao, I don't know what that means. But even he's saying part 2 ng pananakit. Which means part 2 is never gonna come, bitches. You know? Oh, part 2 coming soon? You know? Or part 2 beg me. That's what I would be like. Part 2 beg me, yeah? Beg me. You wanna be blessed with these vocals? Fuck it. What are they saying anyways? Who broke these people's hearts? Poor man. Stand strong, yeah, lads. Stand strong. Not every woman's a Catherine, yeah?
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Go, Yumi! Yumi! Yumi!
That's Yumi.
Perform the Star Spangled Banner. Please welcome international performing artist Yumi Kapila.
Yumi! Yumi! Yumi!
Fucking, I'm
I
nervous.
fucking love her.
Oh, I know that song. Oh, that's the national anthem.
Bruh. Oh my god.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous skies, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed.
Whoa.
Good choice of shoes.
Look at her knee anchoring, so clever. Yeah, literally, what the Brave! Yumi supremacy.
God.
Girl, goddamn, she
Jesus
killed that.
Christ. Oh my.
You're not supposed to clap the national anthem, but
Apparently.
oh my
I think
god.
that's like a thing. You're not meant to clap. Because I remember when Vale sang the Venezuela national anthem, like on TV, on some other shit. It's like people you weren't allowed to, and I remember everyone's like, "No, don't clap, don't clap." And but how the fuck can you not
How can
clap
you
this?
clap to that? That was incredible.
That might be the best.
You,
like
me.
my favorite 2 national anthems, if you can even say that. This is a very respectful take. It did enough. Also, again, like, and here's the thing. I know she's holding back because Yumi Kapila is probably the best vocal acrobat I've ever heard in my life.
If you wanted, like, if you want somebody to like take you by the hand and teach you exactly what to do, vocally speaking, to be the craziest vocal acrobat, is Yumi Kapila.
Yeah, Yumi.
She just has something. Study her. She's insane.
She's really interesting. I'm really glad she got this opportunity. She's obviously gonna get more because when you murder shit like that, everyone blows up your phone. Real fair play. That's Addy, right?
Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold up the palm of your hand.
He sounds so good in this style.
Nothing to say,
Hello.
and everything gets in the way.
And who's this?
Tina Pugh.
And I'm the one who will say, oh, in this world,
I saw it coming, but I love it.
just us.
Oh,
this is that song.
Yeah.
The song where like you go cling.
No, puppy. That's a song from the 80s.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just us.
Hey, you resolved well.
It's not the same as it was.
Dun, 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 dun.
As it was.
That one, right?
As it was. You know it's not
Damn, Maddie
the
carries.
same.
I like this girl.
Yeah, okay.
Damn, motherfucker.
Totally,
I gotta tell
totally.
you,
Tell-
Addie
yes.
carries like a who is she?
Tina Pugh.
Tina Pugh.
The rain is falling on my window.
I love this song.
But we are hiding in a safer place. Undercover, staying dry and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. Starting my toes, make me wrinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go.
I like this girl a
Yeah,
lot,
she's
bro.